When we think about single-cell life, we often picture tiny amoeba-like, transparent, circular organisms. But life in the microworld isn't as simple as that. Single-cell organisms vary greatly in shape.
They vary in size, color, and function. This video explores the incredible microscopic diversity.
We look at a few drops of water from a single forest pond sample. These large bluish cells are stentors.
Stentors are some of the biggest single-celled organisms on the planet. They move and feed using cilia.
Cilia create a flow of water and food particles towards the cell's front, where it can be ingested.
Inside each cell, we clearly see ingested materials being digested. Stentors are also known as trumpet animalcules. Their trumpet shape is evident when stretched. In the sample, I found many different green single-celled organisms.
These green organisms come in different shapes and sizes. These two, for example, look like they're dancing.
One common trait is the presence of algae living inside the cells, giving them their green color. This benefits both the algae and the cells. Algae feed on waste products inside the organisms.
In return, algae produce oxygen for the cells, acting like internal oxygen factories.
This symbiotic relationship allows cells to live in oxygen-poor habitats. These yellow organisms are not worms.
They are also single-celled organisms. These cells are called spirostomum. Despite their appearance, spirostomium are some of the fastest organisms in the world. Spirostomum cells contain muscle-like fibers, allowing them to contract rapidly when startled. This contraction happens in just a few milliseconds, one of Earth's fastest known movements.
Here, a stentor has been trapped in a sea of spirostomum.
So far, we have only looked at unicellular life. But multicellular organisms were also in the sample. This one is a rotifer, one of the smallest animals on the planet.
Even though it's an animal, it's no larger than the single-celled organisms we've seen.
Rotifers also use cilia for movement and feeding. Inside, we see jaws chewing ingested food particles.
So next time you walk by a pond, you'll know more about the incredible microscopic diversity that hides beneath the surface. If you have ideas for future microscope videos, please comment below.
Thank you for watching.